speed up towards 40 for me. Start bringing that speed up. Get that speed up towards 40 for me. Start bringing that speed up. Get that speed up towards 40 for me. Start bringing that speed up. Because this person behind us, I think, requires 2 paracetamols in a dark room. Thing is, people forget, don't they? There was a time when whoever that is behind us, they were in your position.
Oh yeah. Everybody has to start.
Exactly. Yeah. Only I was born with a steering wheel in my hands. Now then, quick glance in the centre mirror for me.
Yep.
No brakes. A little bit more. There we go. Cars are okay. That's it. If you're not sure about width in these situations, okay, the best way to do it is that car there. Now, imagine doubling him up. Okay, so the same width as that car right next to him.
Yeah.
A little bit of gas, and if you can fit 2 of that car, you can fit us through.
Yeah.
What was the last speed limit sign? Can you remember?
Speed limits.
Yeah. At the moment in Wales, what's the speed limit? In villages?
20.
That's it. Da iawn. Muy bien. Bellissimo. So, one way of remembering, okay, you see the street lights? Yeah?
Yeah.
See all the street lights on the right hand side? Imagine now, okay, last night at midnight, I went round with a Sharpie pen and I wrote on every single lamppost 20. Okay?
Yes.
Now, see that lamppost there?
Yeah.
What have I written on it?
20.
What have I written on that one?
20.
What have I written on that one?
20.
Junction coming up. And there's a lamppost the other side of it. What have I written on it?
20.
So if the street lights, consider it 20 miles an hour. If there are street lights and it's not 20 miles an hour, there's a section coming up now. Okay, so street light 20, street light 20,
Yeah.
street light 20. Just imagine you didn't see those 2 40s there now, okay?
Yeah.
So every now and then, on every couple of
20. Oh well, 40 I mean.
there we go. So if the street lights and it's not 20, there will be little reminders. What does it say on that lamppost on the left there?
40.
There we go. And what does it say on the lamppost on the right
40.
there? And what does it say on the lamppost on the left there?
40.
There we go. So if there's lampposts and it's not 20, there will be reminders telling you what it is, okay? If you don't see them reminders, think 20. There we go. Up to 3rd gear, nice and slowly for me. That's nice. And away. So we've just passed the national speed limit applies signs, yeah? So what's the national speed limit for cars? A little bit of gas, sweet. Get that speed up. Get that speed up. It's 60 maximum. Yeah? So you're not allowed to go over 60. Right? You assess that situation in front of you now. Describe that road. What speed? If you were in charge of putting speed limits on roads, what would you give that? What you can see in front of you now?
250, I don't know.
Go to 45 then and see what happens.
Okay,
You said between 40 and 50, yeah? For what you can see in front of you. There's no houses, there's no junctions, there's no roundabouts. It's a reasonably quiet road.
Yeah.
It's reasonably wide. It's quite dry-ish. Now then, we're turning left shortly, okay? Towards one there. See that white sign on the left there?
Yeah.
That's telling us where the turn. So just wait for a little while. Ease off that gas now. What's behind us? There we go. we are going to need, okay,
Are we going left? you
Yeah,
said,
we're going left. We're going to need second gear, okay? Just bring that speed down for me. Bring it down to about 20-ish. See that little sign there? Bring that speed down. That's it. Clutch down now. Into second gear. Oh, this poor cat is going the same way. Bring that clutch up. Bring that clutch up. On the gas. Go. That's it. And away.
He is not going to like me.
There we go. Listen to that engine. What's the engine telling you?
It's going fast.
Can you hear the sound going higher?
Yes, I need to change gear.
That's correct. Just like riding a bike. Have you ever ridden a bike with gears on it?
Yes, a long time ago.
That's it. So, the faster your feet go, how do you slow your feet down? By changing up a gear, yeah? That's it. Do it. Well done. Get me to 40. Minimum. Before this person behind us actually gives birth to 7 giraffes. That's it. Well done. A little bit more. Try 45. Giraffes. What's wrong with 5 giraffes? Now then, so you're still in third gear. Once you get to 40, what gear do you reckon you should have been in?
Fourth.
That's correct. Now then, we're coming up to a roundabout shortly, so you may as well just leave it in third, okay?
Okay.
See the sign in the distance of it. A little bit of gas. Let's get there. It's Christmas next week. I don't want to miss Santa Claus. There we go. So we're going straight ahead of the roundabout. What do you do first? Set the mirror off the gas. Start slowing it down. Bringing that speed down. We're going to need second gear. We're going to need left lane. Down. That's it. Bring that speed down. A little bit more. That's it. Look to the right. Anything come in? Try and keep it in the left. That's it. Keep it in the left. Now we're going straight ahead. Keep in the left. Left mirror, left indicator. That's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop somewhere in a minute, okay? Somewhere suitable, yeah? And we're going to talk theory about roundabouts, okay?
Yeah.
Right, then the dead easy road in front of us now, up into third gear. Nice and easy. Off the gas in between. Yeah? So like a swimmer, off the gas, clutch down. Clutch back up, back on the gas, yeah? So one foot goes up, the other one goes down. Unless you're a mermaid.
I was thinking duck feet.
Or a duck feet.
Thinking
Yeah.
about duck feet going
That's it.
down.
Up into fourth gear because we're at 40. Off the gas in between. That's it. Clutch back up.